Welcome back to Price Action Trading Series from Market Secrets. This is episode 28 of the series, and in this episode, we are going to see how to define and identify a bearish consolidation trend. Before we begin, I have one update for you. Price action trading is one of our e-learning series, and in addition to that, we have multiple e-learnings on algo trading, trading strategies, investment strategies, tax savings, and on how to become a successful trader. You can find all these e-learnings from our website www.marketsecrets.in. Likewise, we are providing multiple data feeds for traders. So if you are an active trader, you can look at those as well. So with that note, let's begin today's session. In the previous three episodes, we have seen three different types of trends. That is, how to identify whether we are in an uptrend or downtrend or bullish consolidation. Now we are moving to the next type of trend, which is bearish consolidation. So in this video, we are going to see the rules to define and identify bearish consolidation. A bearish consolidation happens when the price was in a downtrend, and after that, either a descending downtrend line is broken by one full candle and it is fully above the trend line, or a valid supply zone irrespective of whether it was a supply zone created by a CP or a peak is broken, or when both of these happens. So if the price was in a prior downtrend and followed by that, if the price breaks the downtrend line, or if the price breaks a supply zone, or if both of those happens, then it indicates we are in bearish consolidation. So when any of these scenarios happen, you're not allowed to take any trades in the direction of the previous downtrend until the price makes a low that is lower than the previous low. That is, if the price makes a new lower low, or if the price hits a supply zone one higher time frame above it. This is also known as the realignment. And like I mentioned earlier, please do not stress out over the last point, which is realignment. You will learn this in the later lesson. For now, just learn and accept this rule until it becomes second nature to you. The last point is the concept of realignment and sequence, which we will see very shortly. So, moving on, we are going to see these two possibilities now. So let's start with the possibility one, which is trend line break. So if you look at this particular example, there is a bearish trend line, and if you look at this particular candle, this candle has broken the trend line and it is completely above it. So earlier we were clearly in a downtrend with new peaks. Here is a peak 1 and here is a peak 2. So there was a clear downtrend and there was new peaks being formed, and there were huge bearish impulses. If you look at here, there were strong downside moves that was happening. So we were able to draw this trend line by connecting the peaks. But suddenly price rises and breaks the trend line. So the price has shot up here and it breaks the trend line. So rule now states that we are in the bearish consolidation phase. This marks the official end of the downtrend and the official beginning of bearish consolidation. So if you look at here, the price started moving flat immediately after entering the bearish consolidation phase. That's where you should avoid taking the trades, as the market will be sideways and this will hit your stop loss again and again and again and again. You will lose all the money that you have earned during the trending market in this sideways move. This is where you should stop trading and just wait it out. A lot of people make the mistake of continuing to trade even after the downtrend is broken. They don't know that the downtrend is broken. So that's why they keep on trading. But if you properly identify the trend, what is the trend right now, you would have identified we are in the consolidation. We should avoid the trade, or at least we should take the trades which are suitable for the sideways market. If we don't recognize it, that's where the problem begins. So this is possibility number one. So moving on to possibility number two, which is supply zone break. A valid supply zone, irrespective of whether it was formed due to a CP or a peak. If that supply zone is broken, then we are officially in the bearish consolidation phase. So in this example, We were clearly in a downtrend with new valleys being created and bearish impulses are creating new supply zones. But suddenly, price shorts up and breaks the supply zone which was created recently. The moment the supply zone is broken, that is, at this point, the supply zone is broken, rule states that we are in the bearish consolidation. So this marks the official end of the downtrend and official beginning of the bearish consolidation phase. So when this bearish consolidation happens, we should stop taking any trades in the direction of the prior trend and wait for the next signal to be formed. So to summarize, we can consider that bearish consolidation has officially begun. If the price was in a prior downtrend, and if the downtrend line is broken or a valid supply zone is broken, or when both of it happens, and when that happens, you need to stop trading on the short side and you should wait for the next signal to be formed. So hope you are clear on how to confirm whether we are in a bearish consolidation phase now. With this, we have completed all the 4 different types of trends in the market. So go through all the last 4 videos together multiple times and write down the rules. This will help you to spot the current trend in the market, and it will help you to avoid getting whipsaws in the sideways market. This will help you immensely in the long run. So don't take this lightly. With this, we have come to end of this episode. I hope you have enjoyed this session. If you have liked this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Your feedback is important for us, so please do leave your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.